This is a quick guide to start you off on any project. And what you want to do is work on confirming that your preferences are set up on the 8 point grid in Figma for the big nudge. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go into any Figma file that we're working on. In this case, I'm working on the Next Gen Web Designs System Guide. And this works on any Figma. We're going to go into the Figma icon in the upper left corner. And we're going to go halfway down to the preferences. We're going to go all the way down to the nudge amount. We're going to click on that and we're going to make sure that our big nudge is set to 8. So if you see any other number in there but 8, you make sure that it's 8. In this case, 8 is great. So we're going to close that. I'm going to go back into this now. Again, I'm in the Next Gen Web Design System Guide, and I'm on the 8 point grid helper components page in the Web System Guide. And what it's doing here is telling me just exactly what I just did to go to the Figma icon to change those preferences for the nudge. But nudge, what does that even mean? Well, what does that mean for the 8 point grid? So here in this little demo quickly, I am going to click on this icon here, and we're seeing that it's 24 by 24 pixels. And this one is set at 32 by 32 pixels. So what we're looking at here is an 8 point grid. And as I'm moving say I want to like align these together, you see I am slowly 1 pixel at a time nudging my icon to be close to this icon. Now, if I wanted to make it go faster, I would hold down the shift key with my arrow, and then I would be able to do that big nudge. So big nudge is shift arrow, any arrow key, and a regular nudge is just that arrow key. And that way, whenever you're moving one of your objects in your design, you're ensuring that it's always staying on that 8 point grid.